Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, obviously, I'm coming to you live from the car. I didn't have enough time to get this video done. This is quite possibly also the loudest place I could find in the whole state, probably. But today I want to talk to you about why you don't have to, but why most people have a will when they have a trust. Before we do that, though, I want to remind you, if you have a specific question about your situation, if you want to talk some more, you can do that over the phone or in person with me for free at estatemeeting.com. Just go to estatemeeting.com, pick a time, we'll talk, and answer your questions, let you know if we can help you, and that'll be fun. So, why have a will in a trust? Well, in many instances, or many people think that they do the same thing, and they sort of do, and they sort of don't. A trust and a will both direct the distribution of your assets when you are gone. The only difference is when you have a trust, you create the will as sort of a fail-safe. And what you do is you set a will up so that if you forget to put anything in your trust, the will makes sure that everything flows into your trust. Because the way it works is once you create a trust, then you have to go through to all of your bank accounts, your real estate, other assets like that, and you have to make sure that they are either retitled or the beneficiary is designated to be the trust. If you don't do that, then when you're gone, those assets will flow where you have told them to go, or if you have told them to go nowhere. For example, if you have let's say you have an investment account that doesn't have a beneficiary designated on it. If you have that sort of a situation, then that asset would just flow into your estate, just like anybody else without a trust would. That's when your will would take over. Your will says, okay, we have this estate asset. We are going to direct it instead of going to a specific person or to a specific group of people. Instead, we are going to direct that it goes to your trust. So that is why you have a will in a trust together. Very often, pretty much all the time, the will that you have when you have a trust is called a pour over will. The reason it's called that is because it makes sure that everything sort of pours into your trust if you forget to retitle your assets or update your beneficiary designations in the proper way. So that's it. Question of the day right there. Reminder, Christopher Small, CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, do it well. I'd be happy to talk to you about your specific situation, answer any questions that you have. You can set up a time to do that over the phone or in person at estatemeeting.com. That's estatemeeting.com. As always, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Coming live from the car. If I don't see you for the rest of the day or anytime soon, have a great day. Have a great everything. Looks like it's finally one of the last good days of the year, probably. Fall is coming. But in any event, thanks so much for your time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you know somebody that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. Otherwise, thank you again for your time, and I'll see you again tomorrow.